Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Ghost Kraken Mech in Mega Boss Survival. This powerful mech is a fantastic asset for any player looking to dominate the game's toughest challenges. We'll cover everything from initial preparation to advanced strategies, ensuring you have all the knowledge needed to unlock this incredible machine. Getting the Ghost Kraken Mech requires dedication and skill, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Let's dive right in and get you started on your journey to mech mastery. Before you can even think about acquiring the Ghost Kraken Mech, some crucial preparations are necessary. First, ensure you have a substantial amount of in-game currency, ideally around 5,000 gold, for essential upgrades. Next, you'll need to unlock the Deep Sea Diver character class, as their unique abilities are vital for the specific challenges ahead. Finally, upgrade your primary weapon to at least level 3. This will significantly boost your damage output against formidable foes. These steps lay the groundwork for your success. Now, let's talk strategy for the Mega Boss Survival mode itself. Your primary objective is to defeat the formidable Leviathan boss, and doing so in under 3 minutes is key for a bonus drop. During the fight, focus on collecting all 3 Kraken tentacle fragments, which drop from specific minibosses within the arena. Once you have all 3, proceed to the ancient altar located in the Sunken City Zone. Activating the summoning ritual there will begin the process of acquiring your mech. Stay focused and coordinate with your team. After activating the ritual, a final challenge awaits. You must defend the summoning altar for a full 90 seconds against waves of spectral enemies. Utilize your upgraded weapons and character abilities to hold your ground. Once the defense is successful, the Ghost Kraken Mech will materialize, ready for you to claim it. Remember to spend some time in practice mode to master its unique abilities, such as the Spectral Grasp and Hydro Blast. With practice, you'll be an unstoppable force in Mega Boss Survival. Good luck and have fun!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.